Luka's gonna get y'all right today. Get your IQ right. Teach you a new bag. Now, first off, you gotta have court control. Know how to move around on the court. Look at the defense on the court. Adjust to them. Look at this. Up and under. That's that post game work like Luka. Watch. You have to use certain moves. Don't always use a speed boost to just try to get open for a three. There's so much things you can do on the court. Look at this. I do the little hesitation move between the legs. Get them to bump on my body a little bit. Let them jump and go straight up. Once they jump, you have to go straight up. There's a lot of people that don't know that in 2K. And you have to make sure you're on the proper angle. 3 moves and go. Oh! Into the Luka Doncic dribble pull up. Look at this. 1, 2, 3. One move, escape shooting. 1, shoot. Easy. Guard up is in the game now. When players have their hands down, they're playing this bad defense. You have to learn how to shoot and be comfortable shooting that. 1, 2, and go. 1, 2. Oh! Right off that screen. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look. 1, 2. People be waiting so long, just dancing around the screen. Real quick. Soon I'm gonna have my team, and this is what I'm just working right now, like with random play. But soon I'm gonna be organized where I have little plays out there, just a few of them, go bit by bit. Show y'all how to really get lethal with all types of builds in this game. I'm about to turn up. I know I've been tripping on the gameplay, but it's here. Space creator shooting. Oh, watch this. Hey, with the heat check. Space creator with heat check is so powerful. You can get an easy 3, and still space creator shooting is powerful regardless. You just have to learn how to time your space creator shot. It's like a regular shot. It's not like it's harder or anything like that. People just are not used to timing their space creator shots, but having it on a high level is definitely like a regular shot. Look at this, hands down again. Late contest. I got the badges that I gold, everything in the bag. Now you may ask, why are you seeing all this on the screen? You have to learn and develop this type of bag. When you're able to shoot all different types of shots, that's when you're unguardable. And the way 2K is going, the way the game's going to be within the next years, how they building this IRL playstyle type of game, the momentum, the speed, the blowout dribbles. This is like prototype stuff. I always look at the new stuff like stuff they're trying to advance in the future, how the movement may be longer down the line. Look at the defensive Luka build plays as well. Limitless range shooting. Look at this catch. Oh, man. That's when I'm in the bag, man. When the team is letting me score and I'm in my bag, that's it. It's over with. I really got like a real life takeover on the 2K. Like I just start shooting all these crazy shots. And what I tell people to make yourself even more skillful when you're shooting, like when you're watching this, each shot I'm shooting here is different. I have stage gameplay next to show you guys as well. But I have a Luka build. So when I'm using this Luka build, I'm dressed up like him and I'm playing like him in the play style. I'm expecting for my teammates to kind of adjust to me as the play style is. Mid-range space creator shots. I'm just cooking right here. This is just different. And I noticed something too. I'm very strong with ISO, but it's like teams will start to double team me because my ISO game is so crazy. The way I ISO. So it's like, I'm gonna start it, but I just need teammates to be able to shoot. When you're watching, you're gonna watch this next gameplay and you'll see what I mean. Like, my teammates can't shoot, it makes it more tough for the ISO to even work. People can close out and help, realizing the team can't shoot. Look at the little lay-in for Lay. Controlled post scoring. Learn how to wait till they jump and then go up if you have close shot, and if you have fast twitch, and if you have pro touch, and you see float game pops up, because I pull the analog stick away to do the little floater. So hopefully people understand the mechanics to that way. If not, comment down in the comment section below. I'll do a video. Acrobat layups. Oh man, if I didn't do that, he was punching that shot. This is why acrobat is important. Boom. He was going to punch that. He jumped into my body. Lay in. And people really don't like layups. Most people just dunk. And I feel like the acrobat layups really are fire. Like they really, you could do so much with them. And I feel like 2K still needs to adapt more into that system. Have different acrobat layups instead of the same ones, you know, to change in different directions depending on the defender. That would be super hard. I would like that. Let's go. Watch how Luka works. Oh, this was a lock too. He just kept reaching at me like crazy. Look at this dime. Like when you can dime and you play against teams and then you say let me ISO, it's more powerful. But the team got to be able to shoot. My team got to be able to, like, this is Luka Doncic, Luka Magic. Watch how he dimes. Like, oh, look at this. Oh, pump fake. No, nothing. Right back to me. Again. Soon. So I really like to pass to my team so we all could be in a rhythm. In case if I do want to ISO, they helping. I dime out. It's trustworthy to knock down. Look at this. Again, I got him sinking in the paint. Come on. See, I need shooters. I need shooters. Let Luka do it. Hey. Let Luka do it. Y'all see what I do. Look at this. I'm like, okay, he's just in the paint. Shoot your mid-ranges, people. That's the last gem for today. Shoot your mid-ranges. I'm going to have little breakdowns like this coming with my players. And they're going to give you the gems. Y'all got to let me know if you like Luka gems today. I'm going to show y'all the build, the breakdown. We're going to talk a little bit more about what the build can just do when I'm playing with the build. Y'all see the stats. Give y'all a little bit more behind how he plays out on the court. The pros, the cons. But ultimately, the gems. Look at the dime. Split between them dime real quick. When you can pass too, it helps you score more. People are less inclined to help. Sometimes people don't know how to score off of people playing help defense, and they trap themselves into bad shots. I'm gonna have more stage gameplay coming for y'all. I was live on streaming the stage. We gonna have way more of this stage coming because I just think it's needed to show people like, man, we can really hoop in here. The realistic play style can work in the stage. Let's get to the next part of the video. Hey. This is the Luka Doncic build that I'm playing with. As you can see, the only thing that I have left for him to get is his close shot to unlock the fast twitch and the masher, the drive and layup. You see this 90-90, 72-81. I'm out there with an 81 ball control, so this is why a lot of locks pluck me, but I still know how to maneuver enough to where they're not going to pluck me because I dribble realistically. I feel like when you do dribble realistically instead of like meta base is where you start by just spamming up combos and you hope he bites on one, and you have enough ball control to where he can't just pluck you that quickly, so it gives you enough time to, you know, boom boom. I get it. I can still do the same thing with this 81. All right, so it's still powerful. Okay, the defense, you see we got that perimeter here, so he plays very, very good defense. Very good defense. All right, we still need to get this steal. We're gonna have the base steal stuff. Rebound just like Luka. We get them defensive boards. Right, y'all see the stats. This is the craziest stat I got on here. My strength. This is a sneak. Sleeper. They're asleep. They don't know what to do with this stat. Now let me come here to my badges and show you guys. We have that high strength, right? And this is how we get brick wall and gold. My brick wall dropped because I haven't been setting screens too much for people. I've just been playing that straight Luka roll. But the gold brick wall helps create more opportunities on the court too, as well, with my teammates to know how to use the screen as well, right? So much with this build. A movable enforcer. They try to drive to me on the paint. This really stops them and slows them down and makes that more beneficial on defense. So this is why I really like this. So this is really like a real, like, that one is the cheesy part about it. I ain't like Luka, but it's still fire for the build. Okay, you see open looks, Hall of Fame. We have, this is how Luka's looking. And everybody should kind of like look at each other's builds and ways, because it's like how much a person's maintaining, you know, that matters. I mean, some people have more of the little overdrive stuff than the floor setters and stuff. I know people pay for it, but this is not, I ain't pay for the floor setters, the season stuff you guys can see. So all these things I'm maintaining based off of the Luka build being him. Bulldozer, I like this badge so much on the Luka build. It's just, you see with the A tier badges, the A tier badges is fire for Luka. Right, Challenger Gold, we fired. The Bulldozer badge, fire. You can do so much stuff with this. I get the little bump off in the paint on players. So much stuff. I'm really going to start ISOing way more with the Luka build and utilizing this badge way more and giving you guys more breakdowns and videos on this too. Y'all see it right here. We got the blow by. These are the badges here. Still got to get Giant Slayer on him more, because we could make way more crazier buckets like on players that's taller than us. So we're going to start working on this badge as well. I'm really about to start bringing y'all that gameplay. I've been recently playing 2K way more and been feeling way more motivated to play 2K. So the gameplays is going to be dropping for y'all. Me streaming is going to be just popping out. I got new builds on the way as well. So here's the Luka build. Here's everything with him, the badges and all. I really feel like the build is super tough. Balanced all around. You have to have skill to play with this build, because he doesn't have the probably certain SIGs people may want, but he has certain stats for me to do what I do. No dunk on the build at all. I know Luka can get some dunks, but we just lay up the ball with him, which is how he do in real life most of the time. He's always laying it up. So here's the Luka build, man. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video giving y'all some gems. Remember all the tips and tools I showed you guys. Always being able to know how to do a different shot each play, and you make that consistency. That's how you become super elite as a scorer. Super elite. Hit the like, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one.